What's up guys? Mabuhay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Osaka, Japan. This is our second day. Kahapon arrival and ikot-ikot lang sa Mega Donkey at saka kumain lang ng foods. But today, alam kong maganda ba yung lighting. Ayan, but today magagala-gala tayo. Malamig pero tolerable naman. And punta ako dito sa Dobutsuwen Metro kasi plan ko pumunta sa Tennoji Station para claim ng Metro Pass, kasi ang Metro Pass guys parang around 250 lang for one day na yun. So unlike naman na pa isa-isa lang ako nang bili ng metro ticket, mas makakamura ko. Ang lamig, malamig guys kapag mahangin. Ayun. Hindi nga lang ako familiar pa, but we will see. Alright, ito ang metro station. This is where to buy a ticket. I'm not sure. Here, English.
Guide will be displayed in English.
Ticket. Oh my god, I don't know the station. Oh my god, how cute kita isa ka Kintetsu. Let's try Kintetsu. Oh my god, I don't know. Back. Itaya. I don't know the station. Station name Tennoji. O si guys, 190 yen pag pupunta ka ng Tennoji. 190 magkano yun? Parang 100 ba? Less than 100, mga 80 pesos. So better guys kung you have the Metro Pass. Mas okay kasi siya, mas mura. Unlike isa-isa ka bibili, so maubos ang pera mo sa kaka-commute. Oh wait, English ticket.
Will be displayed in English.
Okay, back. One day pass. One day pass. What do we mean by one day pass? I'll just ask muna first guys, kung para saan yung one day pass. For the metro ba yun or something? I'm not sure about it. But there's none. Wala siya guys nung yung parang mga booth na pwede ka magtanong. Mamaya kasi bilhin ko yung one day pass, hindi naman pala. Hindi ko na alam guys. Ang lamig, putik. Metro kasi yun. Meron kasing one day pass. Kaya lang, ayun nga din yung plan ko bilhin sa Tennoji. I'm not sure if that would be it or not, diba? So Kuji. Alright, bye muna guys for now. I'll just check it out once more and then I'll get back to you. Bye. So ayun guys, nandito tayo sa Japan pa din, and I bought a ticket for Tennoji Station. Ito, in-insert ko lang, and then ayan. And then Saikasu line for Tennoji guys, ayan, that's one. Misuji line. Medyo i-research mo lang din kasi Saikasu, ayan, for Tennoji Nakamosu. Kasi mas okay guys yung bibili ka nung 1-day pass, 250 pesos. All you can, katulad nito, 1 station away, 190 yen. Like 80 pesos. So it's mahal. And guys, for Tennoji. I'll just take a picture. Alright. Then let's walk. Let's just walk and walk and walk. And let's just wait. Sa Castle Line. For Tennoji. 807. Alright. Eto, Dobutsoen. Dito tayo guys, Tennoji. Alright. Let's go! Abroad. Travel. Masaya naman guys, mag-travel. Kaya lang nga, may times din na mahirap syempre kasi bago ka rito. Tsaka mas okay guys kung naka-metro pass kayo kasi mas makakatipid. Ayan yung train. Alright, let's go to Tennoji. Bye-bye.
For passengers heading towards Nakanosu, please wait at the platform. Thank you for riding with
What's up
Osaka
guys?
Metro
We are
today.
here already. And nandito na tayo sa Tennoji Station, but I'll have to buy something for Klook. Siguro dito na muna ako guys sa gilid kasi I'll have to pay for my Klook payment. Para I'll claim it pag nandun na tayo. So I'll just check this out and then let's claim it later on. Alright, it's already paid. Osaka Metro Pass. I just need to to claim kung saan yung designated area guys, no? Just a moment. I'll let you guys see the station, what it looks like. Ayan. And I'll show you around later. Mukhang madali lang naman siya matuntun guys kasi after nung counter parang may mga booth naman. So I think makukuha naman natin yung Metro Pass. So online lang ako nag-book. It's worth 247 pesos sa atin, but it is super worth it. Yan na sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. Kasi ang isang ticket here, like 1 station away, is 190 yen. I don't know guys where I should exit. My god, Japan is so big. Misudoku Line. I don't know, where should I go? I'll just ask. Tennoji Station. I should go out. Probably here. I'll just okay. There's no option to put the ticket. Okay, here. Okay, I'm out here guys, and nasushukot ako kasi ang daming tao dito sa Tennoji Station, but I'm not sure where can I get the Osaka Pass. There's a booth daw eh. There's a booth that I can get, but probably I need to find that one. So balitaan ko kayo guys, hanapin ko muna. I already saw it guys, kaya lang 9 AM pa yung bukas niya. So I'll just need to wait and to redeem my metro ticket, which is good. I wanted to get to buy something here, but I don't know saan ko siya pwedeng kainin. So let's just see. For the commuter station, pagbaba mo naman pala guys nung metro station is makikita mo na yung commutation ticket booth. Kaya lang, it's 9 AM yung start ng mga redeem. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys ha. Ito, dyan ako lumabas kanina. There. And then, there's a sign for a commutation ticket here guys. And then, continue lang kayo here. Sa una, you cannot, parang hindi mo siya makikita, but ayun siya guys. So yung Osaka Metro goods, that's the commutation ticket booth, which is 9 AM nag-start. And then I'll just wait lang siguro kasi I need that ticket. Mas makakamura kayo guys, super makakamura. And like from the Butsuen station to Tennoji station guys, it's 190 yen. Wherein if nag-metro pass ka, it's unlimited one day. May Lotto outlet pa dito guys. Alright. So later, if I already got my metro station, I'll eat na lang din, might as well. And I'll try to go to Umeda. And yeah, I'll just go around and roam around. That would be it. Bye.